Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time here, hello, thank you for joining the family. Today the units that we're going to be trying on is from Outre, and this is from their Sleeklay collection. I have in the style DALILAH 34 in the color 1B, so let's just go ahead and see what we have inside. So this is what the stock card looks like, and this unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees. For the key features on this one, this unit has a wider hand-tied lace part, extra hand-tied lace edges, pre-plucked hairline, natural baby hair, humpless late finish, and it's also heat friendly as well. And for the special colors on this one, we have chocolate frost, red velvet, DR2/cinnamon spice, DR2/hazelnut, DR4/cream blonde, DRFF amber blonde, and DRFF wheat blonde. And that's pretty much all that we have going on in the stock card. This is what we have straight out of the pack. You guys, this curl pattern, I'm so excited. It looks so good, and I can't wait to see how this turns out. This unit comes with 2 combs in front, 1 comb at the back, and of course our adjustable straps as well. And we have a parting area going on already. This is a middle part unit, and we also have the hairline that looks pretty good, and with some baby hairs as well. So let's just go ahead, and I'm pretty excited for this one. I can't wait to see how it turns out. So let's just head right into styling.
1 step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Yeah. I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, with every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, with every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making,
Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah. Girl, you always tend to drive me crazy, looking at me with those eyes. Yeah. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed. Blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you.
All right, you guys, so this is what we have after styling, and you guys, how gorgeous is she? I absolutely love this one. Can we get into the curls, you guys? Love it. And for styling, you guys, I did something really different today. I learned some new tips and tricks from Gladys, aka Is That Your Hair. If you're not subscribed to her channel, you guys, you really need to go subscribe to her channel. She's always dropping like new tips and hacks on how you can make your wigs look natural, and she just dropped one recently, and that was what I followed today. I mixed my got2b glue with my setting powder, and I applied that underneath the lace just to make it look more scalp like. And you guys, I think I'm going to continue doing this because sis, is she giving scalp or what? Even though this one almost gave me a run for my money. At first I thought I was doing nonsense and I was almost panicking, but I'm like, okay, let's continue and see how this turns out. And I really love how this looks, you guys. I don't think my concealer could have made the parting area look this good. This looks really, really nice, and I really love how everything turned out. I'm going to leave the link to her video in my description box, so in case you're interested, you find it there. But you guys, this hack is definitely here to stay. But before I did that, I went in with my Ebin lace center as usual. That's what I usually do every time. I used that on the lace first, and then I went in with the mix, and when I was done with that, popped on my head, just glued this front area because that's only where it's going to be showing, and I'm going to be taking this off really soon. So I just glued down the front area, went in with my CoverGirl bronzer on the hairline, my Elegant concealer. I just applied that in this area right here because, like I said, I was a bit scared and I was trying to be careful, so I didn't go in with the mix up to the front area. So I just used my Elegant concealer that I normally would use in the front area, and I really love how everything turned out with this one. You guys can tell by how much I'm shining my teeth that everything worked out really nice. For shedding and tangling with her, I can't really say that I experienced any form of tangling because I didn't run my fingers through the curls at all, because I'd like to maintain this curl pattern that we have going on, so I didn't bother running my fingers through it, and I honestly didn't experience any shedding as well because, like I said, I didn't run my fingers through it. So if your head is bigger than my 22.5 inches head, I think this is still going to work for you, just in case you're wondering if she's big head friendly. I feel like if your head is bigger than mine, this is going to work for you because this feels really comfortable and I still feel like I have room in there. And for texture and density, this is a light yaki textured unit. For the density, it's around a medium to full. I'll say leaning a bit towards the full area though, but she's definitely not overpowering or anything to worry about. So for my final thoughts on this one, I definitely think that she's worth your coins because, sis, can we get into these curls? These curls I love. And I don't think I've shown you guys how long she is. 5'6" for reference. This is where it gets to right here. If I stretch her out, actually this is at my waist. I was going to say right above my waist, but this passes my waist if I stretch her out, so she's pretty long. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all that I have for you guys today. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. I'm going to have the direct link and every information that you need in my description box, and please do not forget to click on the subscribe button. Join the family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.